What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Dre Senpai back at you with another video today. Apologies, I am pushed this video out super late. Hopefully this video finds you guys, and I hope that you enjoy it nonetheless. I worked a double shift today. I'm super exhausted, but I still want to push this out for you guys. So today is going to be real short and simple. We're going to take the Saiyan team, hop them online, and really just have some fun. Not really a themed video today. I just want to just hop online, do a few matches with you guys using the Saiyan team and just go from there. The meta right now is, you see Daima, you see Saiyans, you see movies, GT, hybrids, of course, Sun Family. So I mean, quite a number of teams out here to battle against, which is pretty good, in my opinion. So yeah, with all that being said, guys, we're just gonna hop right on into it. This is my version of the Saiyan build. We got Bardock on the bench, we have Gogeta on the bench. So with all that being said, guys, let's hop right on into it. If you do like the content, please like, share, and subscribe, guys. All right, let's go. Daima. Okay, and I'm currently working on Tamagami number 3's Zenkai right now.
At long last, I have ascended. This is Super Saiyan.
We are in the glacier.
Let's see what he can do.
It took my man's quite a while to load in, so I mean, this is some lag. Definitely some lag, my boy.
You're in the way. Move.
Holy. Bruh. Bruh. Really? Crazy. Come on now. First match of the video, dealing with all this crap. Okay. I'm pretty sure that was delayed on his end too. I mean, like, I tell y'all, it took my man like forever to load up.
You're mine.
All right, let's just get the Dragon Balls. Oh my gosh. Excuse me.
Be gone.
This is
Move it, Vegeta. Take this.
right here. Okay.
I won't let you get away with this.
Yes, I know he has endurance, but just to get some damage out, man. Oh my god. Maybe I should have swapped.
I felt that one.
Wow. Didn't even kill him.
Okay? Good luck.
My turn.
Hell, okay. Caught me. This lag is beautiful. Okay, we got the
Out of the way.
disrupt. Is he vanishing? Okay, let's go here. Yo, when I tell you this, oh my goodness. I mean, it's either I initiate or we're just gonna dance around for like 15 timer counters. I don't got time for all that. Okay. The sniper himself.
You okay?
Move it, Vegeta!
I was trying to vanish. Let's go here.
Take a break!
Blast. No! Oh my god, it made me over tap. Oh my goodness.
Shall we?
I literally tapped the screen once. Made me over tap.
I think I'll wrap things up.
This is horrible. This is horrible. Oh my goodness. Alright, I was trying to tap right there.
We're settling this now!
Let's go here.
I'll end you!
No. There we go.
Are you okay?
Let's go here.
Not
Get that out the way.
I'm just getting started.
Y'all see where I had Gogeta queued up to...
Oh no!
Thank you. I was like, man, what? Bro, I had Gogeta because I knew it was coming. I knew it was coming.
I am not Goku or Vegeta. I am Gogeta. Go time.
Okay.
Get back.
So, ready to do this for real? There!
Oh, we'll have to use.
Let's do it!
Yeah, this is a very bad spot.
How about this?
Now,
Very bad spot. He just went right on in. He just went right on in. Okay.
I'm here.
Alright, let's... Okay. Let's overdrive whenever he does something. There we go. Okay, we can get Vegeta out of here. We really just... There we go. Thank goodness he does not have endurance. There we go.
I'll be your opponent. Let's finish
Alright, let's go here. Heal up. He frame zeroed me. Dude literally just pressed a button. Right away. And another rush. Okay.
Here goes!
GG's.
That Super Saiyan still works when I'm a kid. Lucky.
Come on, show me your strength.
Alrighty, we got Sun Family here.
Out of the way.
Thank goodness for that green card at the beginning.
Take a break.
Dude, are you not swapping? I was about to say.
Leave it to me. Useless. Eat this.
Not done yet.
Okay.
No way.
Wow.
Eat this.
You got a rush already. Okay, they have endurance though, so Let's focus on getting Gogeta in here.
You're fighting me now.
Gohan is just so bulky, bro. Oh, snap. Do this.
Try hard.
Okay. Swap. Why would you not? I'm just trying to figure out why wouldn't he swap to Goku and hit? He has Goku in right now. You could have saved that because now you have no defensive. Oh well, okay, you have endurance, but I don't know. I don't know. Okay, are you tackling? No. Okay. Mine? Yes, sir. We in there. Okay, so swap here. Darn it. Ooh, them crits bold. So this.
Try hard. Eat this.
Ooh. I'm assuming he's gonna let him go.
There you are.
You should have let him go, bro. Why did it make me? It made me tap right there. And he just keeps healing. Whatever. Okay, Gohan's out of here, which I don't know what this player's thinking about. Goku and Hit were like literally right there. 'Cause I think I've only gotten Namek Goku's gauge once, so we.
I'll stop you.
Okay, that's fine. Oh. Okay. Well, let's see. We are living, boy. Let's do this. Ooh. Yes. Yeah. I swear, the next Super Saiyan 3 GT Goku we get in here, he has to revive into he has to revive into Super Saiyan 4.
You're finished. Gotcha.
And this will nullify endurance.
The battle's over. Give up and go.
Movies. Oh no, not movies. Powerful opponent. Okay. I think I'll just stick with Dende. Yeah.
At long last, I have ascended. Allow me to show you the power of my.
All right, guys, this is gonna be the last match here. Yeah. Again, no particular reason for the you know, or theme for the video today. Just want to hop online, really just use Saiyans, and quite literally just have some fun.
Move it, Vegeta.
Got you, idiot.
No, sir.
Be gone.
Take this.
Are you okay? Good luck.
Get up there. Okay, where are you going? There we go.
No choice.
Okay, if we can get Zamasu out of here.
Take a break.
Not Zenkai, but ooh. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some chicken in it. Hold up.
John. I am not Goku or Vegeta. I am Gogeta. Go time.
Well, actually, no, it wouldn't make sense because I'll just go here. Perfect. We're locked in. There we go.
Well, shoot. You must really want to die slow.
And y'all, if you don't know, I pulled Android 13 recently when shooting for Super Saiyan 3 Vegeta Mini. I pulled him twice, like in the same multi. Crazy.
What? There you are.
Go to blue. Swap. There we go. And you fainted. My goat with the feint. There we go.
Now then, come at me.
Ooh. I'm sorry, my guy. You shouldn't be swapping, right? Clearly not swapping, right? In there.
Got to move.
Glad I didn't pop my main right there. Okay, we almost got Goku's gauge. Okay, we'll be able to lock him in right now. Let's go. Let's get it. Great draw.
I'll be it ends here.
It is. Oh, yeah. Oh, is he dead? Yeah. Oh, this is going to hurt. Oh, bruh. The paralysis. I swear, paralysis is just
Are you okay?
the most toxic thing in the game, bro.
Leave this to me.
Paralysis and faint. You thought you were gonna go through? Wow.
I'll stop you. Face judgment.
Oh. Good move, good move, good move.
Accept defeat. All absolute.
Nice. You know what? Well, I was gonna. My man said no.
We're settling this now.
Frame zeroed me. Okay. Okay, let's just
Now then,
end it.
I'll settle it with this. Ruin away.
No. Stay right there. Lord have mercy. He is the little unit that could.
Know that my brilliance is justice.
I get it, Zamasu. You are living.
Move to accept defeat. I'll
The
be your opponent.
Ooh, you're dead. Okay, there we go.
What's wrong? I haven't even gotten serious yet.
Alright, guys, last match. Hope you guys have enjoyed. It's your boy Dre Senpai. Like, share, and subscribe. Deuces.